If you are trying to choose between DALL-E and Leonardo AI in 2026, this quick breakdown will help you decide in under 4 minutes. Both are powerful AI image generators, but they are built for different users and workflows. What is DALL-E? DALL-E is developed by OpenAI, is designed for simplicity and speed. You type a prompt and it generates clean, creative images in seconds. Key strength: extremely easy to use, fast image generation, great for concept art, ideas and basic visuals, strong understanding of prompts. But it has limits: less control over final details, fewer customization tools compared to competitors, not ideal for professional design workflows. What is Leonardo AI? Leonardo AI is built more for creators, designers, and game developers who need control and consistency. Key strength: high level of customization, better control over style, lighting, and composition, great for game assets, characters, and marketing visuals, training custom models for consistent results. It does have downsides: slightly more complex interface, can take more time to master, some features require a learning curve. And now, when talking about the head to head comparison, let's break it down simply. Ease of use. Winner DALL-E. It's more beginner friendly and faster to start. Image quality and control. Winner Leonardo AI. It gives you more precision and professional level output. Speed. Winner DALL-E. Faster generation with fewer settings. Customization. Winner Leonardo AI. Much more control over final results. Best for professionals. Leonardo AI dominates in design heavy workflows. Best for casual users. DALL-E is the better pick. Real world use cases. Use DALL-E if you want quick thumbnails, blog images, creative ideas, simple AI art. Use Leonardo AI if you want game assets, character design, brand visuals, consistent AI generated styles. Final verdict. So, which one is the best AI in 2026? If you want speed and simplicity, go with DALL-E. If you want control, quality, and professional results, choose Leonardo AI. There is no single winner, it depends on your workflow. And that's all for this video. If you found this comparison helpful, like and subscribe for more AI breakdowns like this. Do not forget to share and turn on the bell icon. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.